There, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review these titanium double-sided cutting boards that I got sent out to review. Let's see how it is. So this is how they look like once that I got it out of the packaging. And it has a handle, which I love because when you are taking it out from your pantry, this is very useful, okay? It has this non-slip silicone edge design which prevent the juices from the meats or the vegetables to drop out to the base where you're cutting. And this is on one side. On the other side, it is made of titanium, which is really, really cool. And this makes it a little bit heavier than others that are made of silicone or plastic. This one will prevent oxidation from some of your foods, and these are very easy to clean. It has this edge that it's also made of silicone. You can use the handle to hang it and put it upright. This way it will dry sooner. So this way you can use both sides, this part and this is like a texture, nice texture, and this one which is the titanium. I love it this way because these will be preventing bacteria. You can choose to cut meat on this side and your vegetables on the other side.
Nice. It won't be scratched when you use like your knife. And the tomato has some juices right here. So this side or edge on the cutting table will prevent the juices from falling to my countertop. So you don't stain your countertop. So right here, as you can see, there are some juices from the tomato and they go here, not to my countertop. Okay, that's why we have this edge.
Really, really nice.